Holiday parties, over 30, it's about the glow, not the glitter. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through 6 specific soft glam techniques for how to achieve the perfect party look this season if you're over 30. It's all about glowing from within, not harsh glitter. We are talking soft glam and beautiful glow. Check this out. The first step to our glow, not glitter, party over 30 makeup routine, we're going to do a cream blush first. We're going to put a small amount, and when we're over 30, we go higher, ladies. Higher, higher. Not the harsh contours under the cheeks. No, 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 no. Move on to step 2. We're going to use a glow product. As you can see, it's got a little bit of tint, but this is all before foundation. And now we're going in with a tinted serum or tinted glow product. We're going to put it on a damp sponge. It is only going to be just a light application because, like we said, this is just a tint. It is not meant to be foundation. And it is going to add, look at how my skin is glowing already. Once we have our glow product, look at that. Can you not tell the light reflecting off that? It is so beautiful. Now, step 3 is taking our foundation, and I use the Lancome Tawny Doll. This is the foundation that has the serum in it. Yes, and Lancome also has cover-ups that has serum in it also, but we're going to use the damp sponge, and we're going to just tap our foundation in certain areas, and then we are going to blend it out. And the sponge is what's helping us get even application, but not a heavy makeup look. See that? Not heavy, ladies. Very, very light. And I am still glowing. The first shade I used was a soft pink on the movable part of my eyelid, not in the crease. And then I came in with the medium shade of shimmer and just hit the lower lash line on the outer part, not in the corner of our eye with the bright white highlighters, only on the outer half of our lower lash line. Then I went in and took one of the brown complementary shades because as we age, we do not want harsh black eyeliner. And I just took it like a V on the outer half of the top lash line, and it just makes the perfect definition. And then I just dusted a little bit on the outside part of the lower lash line, and I flipped the little applicator brush so it just made a little lift, cat eye type. Then I went in and I mixed the 2 shades and blended them just above the crease of our eye where it can be seen. Isn't that pretty? And I did it again on this eye. And then the next step I did is I took a little bit of shimmer and applied it to my brow bone just so the light will catch the shimmer, and it is so gorgeous. Now I'm going to take the eyeshadow brush and we're just going to blend everything we applied so all the colors blend so beautifully. We're going to take our lip liner. I've got the Glam Light kit from TikTok. We're going to use a liner. And for over 30, a liner is a necessity, ladies. It keeps our lipstick from feathering or bleeding as the night goes on. And when we drink at parties or whatever, we can reapply the gloss portion, but the liner stays there. Is that not gorgeous? This is a total glow look. The mascara is next. And before our mascara, we're going to use the Lancome Seals Booster Mascara Primer. It is white, especially if you have sparse lashes. This is what you need. And we're going to start from the outer edge, and we're going to start at the root. We're going to gently lift, gently lift, gently lift. Okay, see that? Looks kind of wild, but ladies, it works. And now that we have the mascara primer, we're going in for the mascara. And I choose Monsieur Big Lancome Mascara because it is big and bright. It looks like false lashes when it really is not. And just look at that volume. Look at that volume. This looks like falsies, ladies, and no falsies needed. And we are not going to forget the little kitten lashes on the very outside. This is no filter, ladies. Just glam, soft glam, no harsh glitter. As you age, the sparkle, it's not about the sparkle, it's about the glow. Is to do all the finishes, the finishing touches. So we're going to line in the brows. And another finishing touch, we are going to take the same pink shimmer that we used going above the brow bone. Look at that. That is party ready, ladies. Party ready. You do not need harsh glitter for the soft glam. Look at how the light reflects and catches. You can do this. You do not have to have harsh makeup. The holidays are about soft glam, glow from within, not harsh glitter. I'm actually pleased. A perfect party glam look for those of us over 30. And if you want more insider beauty tips and secrets like the ones that I just gave you, check out the website at kimsbeautybiz.com. There's so many free resources. I hope you guys love the video. Until next week, much love.